What if Elon Musk's next home wasn't just smart but fully built by artificial intelligence? From Martin domes to robotic ships, this is the home of the future. Welcome to Elon Musk AI Dream Home, designed by machine learning, powered by solar, and inspired by March. The house is warped in solar skin and guarded by autonomous drones. A private EV runway leads to an underground charging station. It's not just a home, it's a spacecraft dock on Earth. Step inside the living room with a digital galaxy ceiling, smart glass walls, and a built-in AI assistant that knows your mood. Minimalism meets mind-blowing tech. This is not just a bedroom, it's a zero-gravity sleep experience. The bed floats snake to your body's rhythm, lighting adjusts to your melatonin levels, and a personal AI assistant dims the world into silence. In the kitchen, you don't cook, you command robotic arm slice, cook and serve precisely programmed by your personal nutrition AI. Just say the word and your dinner appears. From above the mansion, breathes with solar skin, guarded by autonomous drones and a private spaceship pad. This meditation pod uses Neuralink inspired tech to scenic brainwaves, reduce stress, and elevate focus in real time. One wing of the house simulates life on Mars, where it just filters artificial gravity and future proofing living chambers. In the center, a glowing garden that self-sustains and lights up at night. AI maintains oxygen levels and irrigation with zero human input. Everything is controlled from here. A central AI ORB governs the mansion energy, weather, and security in real time. And finally, the garage, a transparent floor that charges Tesla wireless. The future is not near, it's parked here. Would you live in Elon Musk AI designed dream home? Let us know and subscribe for more AI designed features.